So you just click on to view a video, start playing the actual YouTube video, you will watch it for 150 seconds, and you'll get points for each video, which you can then change for real money directly to PayPal or whatever payment option you prefer. Let me guess, you watch YouTube videos every single day, right? Why not get paid for doing that? Get paid for doing something you already do every day. And if you think that sounds good, then listen to this. It's available worldwide, and yes, it doesn't matter where you come from, and what's even better is you can sign up for free and make money without investing. But before all that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and if you want to see how I personally make money online, don't worry, it's not MLM, it's not about affiliate marketing, it actually has something to do with YouTube, but you don't have to be in front of a camera, you don't have to film your videos, and it's not about YouTube ads, it's not about compilations or whatever. It's a really unique way to make money online, and you can learn more about it by simply watching this whole video tutorial on how to make money online. And with that being said, we'll jump straight into the video so we can get started. Okay, let's get started. This is gonna be the main blast from the actual website. It will allow us to watch YouTube videos and get points which we can then exchange for real money, but don't click up because this is not gonna be the only platform that we're gonna be using. There's gonna be one thing that you must do in order to actually change those points for real money. So I'll explain everything, just stick with me and I'll show you all the steps that you need to take in order to make money by watching YouTube videos. So this is the site that I was talking about earlier, and what this website does is that this is just another social media engagement exchange marketplace, which means you can exchange YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook followers, and all that stuff. And you'll see exactly how that will make you money just by watching YouTube videos. So you'll come here in the site where you can read more about it if you want. As you can see, this is a network that will help you grow your social media presence, and don't worry, you don't need to have a branded YouTube channel or have a lot of subscribers using whatever. You can create a brand new YouTube channel with no profile picture, 0 subscribers, 0 views. You'll still be able to make money just by watching these videos, and of course, you don't have to post any YouTube videos on your YouTube channel or whatever, so don't get confused by that. You can just create a brand new YouTube channel if you want to and use that one. Now, we'll go over to the home page of the site where you'll click on Try it for free. Now, right here, click on that. It will show you that you'll need to enter your email address, create a password, retype the same password, click on I'm not a robot, and click on Sign up. They will send you a confirmation email, and that's gonna look something like this. You'll open up your email, and it's most likely gonna be in your spam folder, so make sure you check your spam folder as well. And it's gonna look something like this. You will click here to confirm, and you'll be able to log into your account. Let me quickly log into mine so you can see how it looks like. So this is the inside of the dashboard, and the way this works is every day people like you and me can come over to the website and we can sign up here in the left hand side. We can leave engagement to other people, so we can leave Facebook likes, we can leave, for example, Twitter followers, we can follow them on Twitter, we can follow them in TikTok, and so on and so forth. And in return, when we post our social media accounts on here by clicking on add, then the other people who, for example, if we post our Facebook photo, other people will like our Facebook photo in return. So it's a like for a like, a follow for a follow, a sub for a sub, and stuff like that. But you're not here to collect the likes, you're not here to collect Facebook likes, Facebook followers, YouTube subscribers, or whatever. You're here to watch YouTube videos and make money off of that. Well, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So you're come over to here. We don't care about social media accounts. We're here to make money. So we're just scrolling a little bit down, and you want to find this YouTube views. Now, of course, you can do everything on here. So you can follow other people on Instagram as well and get paid for doing that. But we're focusing on watching YouTube videos, and we'll just click on YouTube views right here. Click on that, and that's going to show this page right here. You can see if you watch this video for 150 seconds, you get 40 points. So all I need to do is click on view video right here. I need to watch it for 150 seconds. I need to leave it. As you can see, here's the counter, and it must play for 150 seconds. So we're gonna wait for 150 seconds. I'll speed it up right now, and as soon as it's done watching, my points are gonna be updated. So you'll be able to see it. So let's just load. and you can see it's gonna update 240 points, and now I can do it again. I can click on view a video, and I'm gonna get some points for watching this video for 60 seconds. You can see it's gonna update once again, and now I can exchange those points for either Facebook likes, Facebook shares, followers, Facebook post likes, Instagram followers, and so on and so forth. All these points that I collect by watching YouTube videos, I can exchange it for engagement on other social media platforms, and you'll see exactly how that will make us money. And by the way, you also have a really nice referral program here on the right hand side. You can see this is your referral link. You can grab it and you can just tell people that they can also sign up to this site. You can leave your referral link, and if they use your link to sign up, you're gonna get up to 300 points from that one single person, which is really insane. And here on the left hand side, you can also have a daily bonus. If you click on daily bonus, you can get 500 and more bonus points every single day just by being active on this platform. But that's not going to be available for you the first day of signing up. So if this is your first day of signing up to this website, then maybe today you won't be able to get those daily bonus of 400 points, but when you come tomorrow, you'll be able to grab 400 points for free. And to maximize your results, just go back to YouTube views and watch as many YouTube videos as you possibly can. Just click on your video, watch that video, and collect those points, and I'll show you exactly how to convert them to real money. But before that, don't forget to drop a like in this video, leave a thumbs up, because it lets me know that you're getting value out of my videos, which at the end of the day is the most important part. So if you do appreciate what I do, strategies and daily business ideas, just hit the like button, and if you have any questions or you simply need some help, feel free to leave a comment down below, because I'll be reading all of those comments and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, this site we've been through can be seen at addmefast.com, and you can go to this site and create more money. And once again, once you collect those points, you can change them to, for example, Facebook likes. What you'll need to do is you will just go over to playerup.com. This is the marketplace where you can trade, sell social media accounts, and social media engagement. So you want to scroll all the way down, and you want to find a category where it says all other games or marketplaces right here. Click on that. Just as you click on that, you will click on the letter F. Click on F right here. Now let it just load. You want to find Facebook. It's going to be right here. Click on Facebook, and you can see that on here we can buy and sell Facebook followers, Facebook friends, Facebook likes, Facebook subscribers, views, shares, and so on and so forth. But we're gonna be focusing on Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares. So if I click on, for example, Facebook likes right here, you're gonna be able to see that people are selling them, for example, 100 Facebook likes for $4. And if you actually do a little bit of research, you'll be able to see that other websites are selling Facebook likes for a lot more money. So just by watching those videos on AddMeFast, you can get points which you can then exchange for Facebook likes, which you can sell for quite a lot of money. So if you're selling 100 Facebook likes for $4, that means you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for over $40. And how it actually works is you just go over to playerup.com, sign up right here, sign up and post your listing, and someone will pay you direct to your PayPal account. They'll pay you, for example, $40 for 1,000 Facebook likes, and they will give you their Facebook page URL or their Facebook post URL. Just grab a link of their Facebook page or their Facebook post. For example, I'll just go over to Facebook to show how it actually works. So they'll send you their Facebook post URL. They want likes on their Facebook post, and they will pay you $4 for 1,000 likes. All you need to do is grab that URL. This is going to be the URL, the link of that. You go back to addmefast.com, click on add, and you'll select the type to be Facebook likes, a worldwide. The title, you can only whatever you want to, just go test, and then the page URL. You just paste in here the actual post URL or the actual page URL. You select how many points you want to give per one like. For example, I'll go with 10 points per like, and then I'll just click on Save Changes, and that's it. I just made $40 just by watching those YouTube videos, and you can do it again and again every single day. You can watch all those YouTube videos on here by the YouTube views category. You just go out there, watch those videos, and by watching those videos, you collect those points which you could then sell on PlayerUp and make a lot of money. So to summarize, you come here to addmefast.com, sign up here on the left hand side, click on YouTube views, click on that, and then you can click on view a video. You can watch the video for 150 seconds, get those points. Once you get enough points, you just come over to playerup.com. Come over to Facebook likes category, post your listing by selling Facebook likes. Those guys from PlayerUp will pay you for those Facebook likes and they'll give you their URL, their link. You would just take that link and go back to addmefast.com. You'll click on add and you will say how many points you want to give for those likes. You can even limit your double click, so if the order is like 500 likes, you will limit it to 500 clicks and you'll just click on save changes and it's gonna go on autopilot and they will get their Facebook likes. You make money from it and everyone's happy. You just repeat the process by going once again to YouTube views and watching as many reviews as you can to collect as many points as you can to make as much money as you can with addmefast.com. It's absolutely free to sign up and you can make a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos. Now I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, give a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.